Hi, I'm Christopher Michael with Christopher Michael Music, and today I want to talk about basic guitar tuning. And in regards to beginner guitar lessons, proper and correct tuning would probably be the most important first step. So, in a nutshell, in pitch notation, the guitar standard tuning is E, A, D, G, B, E. Again, we're starting on the low E string, which is the string closest to your chin. E, A, D, G, B, E. And a good way to remember this is Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. Again, Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. E, A, D, G, B, E. So anytime you pick up your guitar, be sure that every string is in tune, and be sure that you are using, as a beginner guitarist in beginner lessons, be sure you are using the A440 format, which is basically your A string, and it's 440 hertz, which means it vibrates 440 times per second. So A440 is the standard basic tuning for a 6-string guitar. So if you're looking for guitar lessons in Clarksville, Tennessee, I invite you to give me a call at 931-548-3528 or visit me online at www.christophermichaelmusic.net. Thanks for watching.